joining us again. I am Faith and I'm happy to share with you my recipe for whole wheat dinner rolls. This here is 1 packet of yeast, instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of margarine, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 cup of bran, 4 and 1 there, so 5 cups of flour, 1 well beaten egg, and 2 cups of milk. Alright, so now I'm going to add in all of the dry ingredients, which would be, I'm going to put 4 cups of flour to start with. I'm going to leave the additional cup of flour in the other measuring bowl so that I can add it in gradually. I'm going to add the cup of bran, the sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 packet of instant yeast, and I'm going to mix them in. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I have a little secret ingredient I like to add in, and that is half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm gonna mix everything in nicely. I just love the smell of cinnamon in pretty much everything. But I don't put it in everything, alright? So don't think I'm obsessed. Right, so now that that's fully mixed in, I'm going to now add the milk and the butter. I heated the milk and I placed the butter in it, right, so that the butter could melt into the milk. As you can see here, I'm just going to add this in gradually and mix it in. Alright, I'm also going to add the well-beaten egg. Right. There's more here. Mixture is a bit sticky at this time, so this is why I have the remaining 1 cup of flour that I'm just gonna add in gradually. Right, so I think it's nice and powdery. So I always wash my hands and clean under my nails before I get started. Okay, and what we're doing is we're kneading it in, so we're just taking it up with the fingers, up, and then we're pushing it in with the inner palm. Alright, so up, over, and in, and that's how we knead it in. I'm gonna add some more flour. And that's all the flour here that I just put in the last. This dough is really nice and soft. Really nice and soft. Right? And I'm going to put this dough now. It's soft and nice. I'm going to put the dough in a nice greased bowl and allow it to rise to twice times its size. Okay. It's nice and smooth now. I give it a little more kneading, and I'm going to prepare this bowl to put it into to rise. I'm going to first give it a light grease by spraying it, and then this time I'm going to use some butter, just a bit, and I'm going to grease the top of the dough with the butter. Just grease it. All right. Nice. And then I'll place it in there. Well, I'm going to wet a clean kitchen towel and I'm going to cover it and just going to leave it there to sit. I'd say give or take about an hour or so, and allow it to just rise to at least twice times its size, and then I'll be right back. Whoa, my, have you grown? This is good. So you see here, our dough has risen twice times its size. Alright, so now I'm just gonna punch it down. Alright. And I'm gonna put the towel still damp over it again, and I'm gonna allow it to rise again, and then I'll be back. Awesome. So we're back, and as you can see, our dough has risen to twice again. I mean, this time it's even bigger than what it was before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to parcel it out into the dinner rolls and allow it to rise again. Alright, so stay with me. Right, so at this point in time, before I'm finished rolling out the balance of the dough, I'm going to start preheating the oven at approximately 375 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so that when we're ready to put them in, after they've already risen again, then it will be easy to start the baking process. I'm going to apply the damp wet kitchen towel again over the already rolled out rolls, and I'm going to leave it also to rise to double time its size while I do the other rolls. Okay people, so just to show you all that I'm not crazy by coating my dinner rolls with a little butter and then a little water, just look at how they respond to my finger. See? Are you seeing that? Lovely texture. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, all of them are very nice and soft, right? And ready for eating with a little cheese paste, maybe some nice tuna, or maybe chicken ham, turkey ham, anything that you want to try it with. All right, I'm just going to take out one and cut it open for you and show you how nicely it's done. All right, so here we go. And this is the softness and the texture on the inside. See how nice? Right? And if I should taste it. Okay, and here we have a lovely chicken ham sandwich. So we have, this is the chicken ham, a nice big chunky piece of chicken ham with a little bit of salad, fresh green salad, and a few slices of tomatoes. So you can add whatever dressing you want on that now. You can sprinkle a nice blue cheese salad dressing or a nice ranch, whatever suits you fine. Some people might choose ketchup, tartar sauce. You know your taste. So you go ahead and you top that up and enjoy.